Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Yesterday we have learned about some properties of a rational number. The properties are closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, and cancellation property. So today we are going to learn still more properties. Means that they are also one of the important points in this rational number. The first one is additive identity. Additive identity. So what is this additive identity? Do you know how to take the additive identity? Okay. The additive identity is if a plus 0 is always a. Means if we add 0 to the any number, if we add 0 to the any number, we will get the same number. So that is called additive identity. So one more is there. Second point, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. How it is? A into 1 is always a. Means multiplicative identity is 1, additive identity is 0. If we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. Means a may be rational, natural, whole number, anyone. But if we add 0 to the any number, we will get the same number. So multiplicative identity is what? A is one of the number. If we multiply 1 to that number, we will get again a. Clear, children? Okay. Next one is additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Third point, additive inverse. So how to write this additive inverse? If plus a is minus a. While writing the additive inverse, if plus a is there, means we'll write the inverse of plus a is minus a. If minus a is plus a, the additive inverse of plus a is minus a, the additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Understanding? Okay. Next one, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. If a is 1 upon a. Here, in a multiplicative inverse, the numerator will come to the denominator. In additive inverse, plus will change to the minus and minus will change to the plus. But while writing the multiplicative inverse, the numerator will come to the denominator. The numerator will come to the denominator. Next one. If 1 upon a is just a, this term not depend upon the sign. Sign in the sense we can take here minus a. Minus a is what is the multiplicative inverse? Minus 1 upon a. We can write like that. Or minus 1 upon a is minus a. Also we can write. Clear the additive inverse, additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, next multiplicative inverse. So why I am teaching these all things? While solving the exercise questions, these are the important steps to understand the question, as well as while solving answer, this will helpful us. Clear? Okay, shall I go for the exercise? Right. So, exercise number 1.1. So, already yesterday I told you this is what the NCERT syllabus. NCERT. So, yesterday session number 1. Today is session number 2. Okay. Question number 1 is using appropriate find. Using appropriate and find is there. First main, using appropriate properties and find. Okay. The question is question number 1. There is a sub question. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. Okay. Look here, children. Using appropriate properties and find. So here minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 is there. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is there. Into 1 upon 6 is there. What we will do? So 3 by 5 is common, right? So take 3 by 5 common. So after taking 3 by 5 common, so first we write minus 2 by 3 plus what? 5 by no. Minus 2 by 3, so 3 by 5 is common, so what we should write here? Minus 1 upon 6. What is the remaining here? Plus 5 by 3 is remaining. Look at it, children. So NCERT syllabus, please understand the concept clearly. First one, what I did here? Minus 2 by 3 is there. Into 3 by 5. What is the between sign? Multiplication. Plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. Means this is a one set and this is one set. So both the sides 3 by 5 is common. I have taken 3 by 5 is common. Remaining what? Minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. Here minus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 upon 6. Remaining is what? Plus 5 by 2. So what to do now? 3 by 5. Right as it is. Take the LCM. 3 2s are 3 and 6 LCM. What will come? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 to 1. Means the LCM is 6. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 2 2s are 4 minus 1, 1 1s are 1 and remaining 5 by 2. Clear done? Okay. 3 by 5 minus 4 minus 1 means minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2, right? So 5 and 5 cancel, 3 1s are, this is 3 2s are. So above minus 1 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 2. I will solve here. So both sides 2 is there, that's why root 2 write as it is. Minus 1 plus 4. So minus 1 plus 4 means, minus 1 plus 5. So what will come? Plus into minus 4 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Your answer is 2. Clear? Clear? Doubts are there? Okay, if you have doubts, just give me a call. So this is your first solution from first main. Okay children, just pause the video and write down the answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 2? Yes, question number 2 is 2 by 5. Solving question number 2. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Look here, the question is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This is the first set, and here this second set. Why I have made the sets? Because 2 by 5 is common here. Here also 2 by 5 is a common value. That's why what to do now? Take 2 by 5 common. So after taking 2 by 5 common, the remaining is what? Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 14, and remaining is what? Minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by minus 3 by 2. Next, so 2 by 5 as it is, 7 and 14 is there. What to do? Take the LCM. 7 comma 14. 7 to 7, 7 to 14, 1 as it is, 7 to what? 14. So LCM is what? 14. 7 to 14, 14 ones are 14. Correct? Next, 3 twos are minus 6 plus 1. Correct? 3 twos are minus 6, 1 ones are 1 divided by 14 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2 twos are 4. Correct? Okay, next. Minus 6 plus 1 is there. 2 by 5. Right as it is. Minus 6 plus 1 is what? Minus 5 divided by 14 minus 1 by 4. 5 ones are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 sevens are get cancelled. I will solve there. So numerator what? Minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 by 4. Correct? 1 ones are 1, 7 ones are 7 minus 1 by 4. Later on, take LCM. 7 and 4. 7 ones are 7, 4 as it is. 1, 1. 4 sevens are 28. 28 is what? 28 is our LCM. Next, 7 fours are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 7 fours are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Next, 4 ones are 4. 7 ones are 7 minus 11 divided by 28. So this is your final answer. Okay, just copy that answer. Shall we go for the second main? Okay. This is first main. Only 2 questions are there. I have solved both the questions. Question number 2 is write the additive inverse. Second main. additive inverse. So already I told you, if plus is there, we should write minus. If minus is there, we should write plus. For example, question number 1, 2y, it is there. The additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. So if you wanted to cancel them. Otherwise, just write like this. Question number 2. Question number 2 is minus 5 by 9 is there. Minus 5 by 9. How to answer? The additive inverse of what? Minus 5 by 9 is plus 5 by 9, or just 5 by 9 also we can write. Understanding? Okay. So one more question is there. Third question, minus 6 divided by minus 5. So both the sides we are having the minus signs. Correct? So both the sides we are having minus sign. So what to do? So don't cancel them, just change the sign. The additive inverse of minus 6 by 5 is plus 6 divided by plus 5. Cleared up? Plus 6 divided by plus 5. Okay. Still 2 questions are there. Question number 4. Question number 4 is what? 2 by minus 9. 2 by minus 9. I told you the additive inverse of inverse of 2 by minus 9 is what? 2 by plus 9. Just change the minus sign to the plus sign. And finally, 19 by 16 is there. Question number 5. 19 by minus 6. Alright. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is plus 19 by 6. Clear, children? If you have doubts and all, in the first session I have given my number. Just give me a call. In the third session, I will solve third main, fourth main and fifth main. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.